There's a secret K-soup Amazon is obsessed with. It's called Dakgomtang. Forget bouillon cubes. The world is falling for Korean broth, and here's why. Don't let the clear look fool you. There's deep science and umami hidden inside. This isn't just chicken soup. It's centuries of wisdom. Let's uncover the secret. In the West, soup is an appetizer. In Korea, it's the main event. Our soups anchor the meal, binding everything together with deep flavor. No roux needed. You have chicken noodle soup for colds. Korea has Gukbap, the ultimate soul food. It's comfort in a bowl for everyone, from early vendors to late-night workers. Once a royal superfood from the Joseon era, it's now a viral hit online. K-drama fans and YouTubers are obsessed. Now, the whole world is brewing their own. Korean broth coins are exploding on Amazon. What exactly is in this tiny tablet? Cream soup relies on butter and fat. Dakgomtang uses a completely different scientific approach. Boiling bones turns collagen into gelatin, giving the broth a rich, velvety texture. That lip-coating silkiness? That's the science of low-fat, high-protein extraction at work. Umami comes from amino acids. Long simmering draws them out into a flavorful liquid. Cream soup has 6 grams of fat. Dakgomtang has only 1 gram, yet tastes much deeper. These aren't just seasonings. They're natural concentrates of anchovy, kelp, and 10 other ingredients. Using freeze-drying tech, we compress pure umami into 1 tablet. It's food engineering's finest. Just drop it in boiling water. Your gourmet base is ready in 30 seconds. You can find them on Amazon or H-Mart. But don't worry if you don't have any. You'll need bone-in chicken, garlic, and scallions. 1 chicken stock cube is all you need. Western stocks often have distracting herbs. Garlic and scallions help neutralize those heavy aromas. Simmer chicken, garlic, and scallions for 40 minutes. Add stock for that extra umami. Try Whole Foods or Trader Joe's organic stock. Always look for low-sodium labels. Shred the chicken, add salt and scallions, and serve it with rice, Gukbap style. What is your ultimate soul soup? Tell us your favorite comfort food in the comments. Stay tuned for more Korean cooking secrets. Don't forget to subscribe.